The P0365 code indicates a malfunction in the camshaft position sensor B circuit for bank 1. This sensor monitors the camshaft's rotational position, crucial for proper valve timing and fuel injection. Bank 1 is typically the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. A malfunctioning sensor can cause rough idling, stalling, reduced power, and the check engine light to illuminate. According to J.D. Power and Associates 2024 Vehicle Dependability Study, this code accounts for 5 to 7% of engine-related DTCs in legacy ICE vehicles. When the P0365 code triggers, several symptoms indicate a camshaft position sensor issue affecting engine timing. Rough idling occurs when the engine runs unevenly while stopped, often feeling like vibrations or inconsistent RPM. This happens because the sensor can't properly signal valve timing. Engine stalling means the engine unexpectedly shuts off, especially at stops or low speeds. The faulty sensor disrupts ignition timing, leading to this dangerous issue. A noticeable reduction in engine power means weaker acceleration and overall performance. The sensor malfunction prevents optimal fuel injection and valve operation. Difficulty starting the engine involves hard or delayed ignition, requiring multiple attempts. This stems from the sensor's failure to provide accurate timing signals for starting. The check engine light illuminates on the dashboard as the primary warning. This triggers when the ECM detects the P0365 code from sensor circuit issues. These symptoms directly impact engine performance and drivability, signaling the need for prompt diagnosis to prevent further damage. The most common causes of a P0365 code include a faulty camshaft position sensor, which accounts for about 60% of cases. This sensor sends a 5-volt signal to the engine control module to monitor camshaft position. Damaged wiring or connectors cause 20% of these issues, often due to corrosion or loose connections. Timing chain or gear problems contribute to 10% of P0365 codes, leading to improper camshaft timing. Less frequently, glitches in the engine control module account for 5% of cases. Oil contamination and excessive heat can also contribute to sensor failure over time. Begin diagnosis by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0365 code is present. Next, use a multimeter to check the sensor's voltage, which should fluctuate with engine RPM. Visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for signs of corrosion, loose connections, or bent pins. For advanced diagnostics, use an oscilloscope to analyze the sensor's waveform. AI-enhanced tools are becoming available that use machine learning to predict P0365 before full failure. The first step in replacing the camshaft position sensor is to disconnect the negative battery terminal to ensure safety and prevent electrical issues. Next, locate the camshaft position sensor on bank 1 of the engine. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for the exact position, typically near the camshaft. Disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor by pressing the release tab and pulling it straight off. Remove the sensor by unscrewing the mounting bolt. Use the appropriate socket or wrench to loosen and remove it carefully. Install the new camshaft position sensor, ensuring it's properly seated in the mounting hole. Secure it with the bolt, tightening to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new sensor, ensuring it's fully seated. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal. The camshaft position sensor replacement typically costs between $50 and $150 for parts and labor. If replacing the sensor doesn't resolve the issue, inspect the wiring harness connected to the sensor. Look for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and voltage. Repair or replace any damaged wiring or connectors. Clean corroded connectors with electrical contact cleaner. A DIY fix highlighted on Reddit saved a user $300 by simply cleaning corroded connectors. If the P0365 code persists after sensor and wiring checks, inspect the timing chain or gears for wear or damage. This requires a more in-depth inspection of the engine components. Symptoms of timing chain issues include a rattling noise from the engine and the continued presence of the P0365 code, even after sensor and wiring repairs. Replacing a timing chain can be costly, averaging $500 or more, including parts and labor, but is crucial to prevent severe engine damage. A RepairPal case study showed a Toyota Camry repair costing $1,200 for timing chain and sensor replacement. After any repair, clear the P0365 code using an OBD2 scanner and perform a test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. Regularly inspect your vehicle's engine components and address any maintenance issues promptly. Proactive diagnostics and using OEM parts for sensor replacements are recommended by ASE-certified mechanics to prevent future P365 occurrences. Ignoring this code can lead to $5,000 less in engine repairs.